magical friends! Today we have a special adventure. We've built a magical diorama where day and night live side by side. In the green forest and shimmering ponds, amazing animals will appear. Some wake with the sun, others come out when the moon rises. Let's discover who lives where, what they eat, and how daytime and nighttime animals are so different. We're about to build a huge diorama for nocturnal and diurnal animals that will live in a beautiful green forest and swim in ponds. One side will be daytime, and the other side will be nighttime. We'll make the nighttime side with gray-brown sand, and the daytime side with green sand. We'll separate the nighttime side with black stones and the daytime side with white ones. The nighttime pond will be made with dark blue slime and the daytime pond with light blue slime. We'll decorate the forest with trees, ferns, and flowers. And we'll decorate the ponds with corals and algae. Our wonderful diorama for nocturnal and diurnal animals is ready, and it looks absolutely amazing. Now we're ready to explore different animals from all around the world. Tiger. The tiger is a large carnivorous mammal and a powerful nocturnal predator. It lives in dense forests and grasslands, hunting mainly at night. With sharp eyesight and silent steps, it sneaks through tall grass. Its orange fur with black stripes helps it stay hidden. Sea turtle. The sea turtle is a large marine reptile and a mostly nocturnal traveler. It lives in warm oceans, eats jellyfish, seagrass, and small creatures. At night, females crawl onto beaches to lay eggs, using the darkness to avoid predators and stay safe. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is a huge herbivorous mammal and a crepuscular animal, active mostly at dawn and dusk. It lives in African savannas and Asian forests. Rhinos eat grass, leaves, and fruit. Their thick skin and strong horns help protect them from danger. Octopus. The octopus is a soft-bodied marine mollusk and a nocturnal hunter. It lives in ocean caves and coral reefs, hiding during the day. At night, it hunts crabs, shrimp, and fish. With 8 arms and clever camouflage, it can escape predators and surprise prey. Armadillo. The armadillo is a small nocturnal mammal with a body covered in hard armor-like plates. It lives in forests, grasslands, and deserts. At night, it digs for insects, worms, and plants. Its strong claws and good sense of smell help it find food underground. Domestic cat. The domestic cat is a small carnivorous mammal and a crepuscular animal, most active at dawn and dusk. It lives in homes but keeps wild instincts. Cats hunt small animals like mice or insects. Their sharp senses and quiet paws make them perfect stalkers. Koala. The koala is a tree-dwelling herbivorous mammal and a nocturnal animal. It lives in Australian eucalyptus forests and eats mostly eucalyptus leaves. Koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day, saving energy. Their strong limbs help them climb and grip branches. Squid. The squid is a fast-swimming marine mollusk and a mostly nocturnal predator. It lives in deep ocean waters and comes closer to the surface at night. Squids hunt fish and crustaceans using tentacles, jet propulsion, and ink clouds to escape danger. Eagle owl. The eagle owl is a large nocturnal bird of prey and one of the biggest owls in the world. It lives in forests, mountains, and rocky cliffs. With powerful talons, sharp hearing, and silent flight, it hunts mammals and birds at night, often from high perches. Kangaroo. The kangaroo is a large herbivorous marsupial and a crepuscular animal, most active at dawn and dusk. It lives in Australian grasslands and forests. Kangaroos hop using strong hind legs and carry their young in a pouch until they are ready to live alone. Snail. The snail is a small, soft-bodied mollusk and a nocturnal animal. It lives in gardens, forests, and moist places. At night, it crawls slowly to feed on plants and fungi. Its spiral shell protects it from predators and keeps its body moist during rest. Platypus. The platypus is a unique egg-laying mammal and a nocturnal animal. It lives in freshwater rivers and lakes in Australia. At night, it hunts insects and small aquatic animals using its bill to sense movement. Its flat tail stores fat for energy. Leopard. The leopard is a powerful carnivorous mammal and a mostly nocturnal predator. It lives in forests, savannas, and mountains. Leopards hunt at night, climbing trees to stalk or hide prey. Their spotted fur helps them blend into shadows and tall grass. Fox. The fox is a small omnivorous mammal and a crepuscular animal, most active at dawn and dusk. It lives in forests, grasslands, and even near cities. Foxes hunt rodents, insects, and fruits. Their sharp ears help them hear prey moving underground. Owl. The owl is a nocturnal bird of prey with excellent night vision and silent flight. It lives in forests, deserts, and cities. Owls hunt small mammals, insects, and birds. Their large eyes and rotating necks help them spot prey even in complete darkness. Raccoon. The raccoon is an intelligent omnivorous mammal and a nocturnal animal. It lives in forests, wetlands, and urban areas. At night, it searches for fruit, insects, and leftovers. With sensitive paws and a clever mind, it can open doors and solve problems. Giant salamander. The giant salamander is a large amphibian and a nocturnal creature. It lives in cold mountain streams in Asia. At night, it hides under rocks and hunts fish, frogs, and insects. With a flat body and rough skin, it blends into the riverbed to ambush prey. Beaver. The beaver is a large herbivorous rodent and a crepuscular animal, most active at dawn and dusk. It lives near rivers and lakes, building dams and lodges from wood and mud. Beavers cut trees with strong teeth and shape wetlands that help other animals. Porcupine. The porcupine is a herbivorous mammal and a nocturnal animal, covered in sharp quills for defense. It lives in forests, deserts, and rocky areas. At night, it feeds on bark, leaves, and fruit. When threatened, it raises its quills and rattles to scare predators. Horse. The horse is a large herbivorous mammal and a diurnal animal, active during the day. It lives in open plains, farms, and grasslands. Horses eat grass and hay and are known for their strength and speed. They use their ears and body to communicate with others. Red-eared slider. The red-eared slider is a freshwater reptile and a diurnal animal, active during the day. It lives in ponds, lakes, and slow rivers. This turtle basks in the sun on logs and rocks, then dives to hunt plants, insects, and small aquatic animals. Yak. The yak is a large herbivorous mammal and a diurnal animal, active during the day. It lives in cold mountain regions of Central Asia. Yaks graze on grass and herbs and use their thick fur to survive freezing temperatures. They are also strong pack animals. Cobra. The cobra is a venomous reptile and a diurnal animal, active during the day. It lives in forests, grasslands, and near farms. Cobras eat rodents, birds, and other reptiles. When threatened, it raises its hood, hisses loudly, and prepares to strike. Emu. The emu is a large flightless bird and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in open grasslands and forests of Australia. Emus eat plants, seeds, and insects. With strong legs, they can run fast to escape danger and travel long distances. Flying fish. The flying fish is a small marine fish and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in warm ocean waters. To escape predators, it leaps out of the water and glides through the air using its large fins like wings. It feeds on plankton and small insects. Cheetah. The cheetah is a carnivorous mammal and the fastest land animal. It is diurnal, hunting during the day to avoid stronger nocturnal predators. Cheetahs live in African savannas and eat antelopes and hares. Their slim body and long legs help them run fast. Gorilla. The gorilla is a large herbivorous mammal and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in African rainforests and eats leaves, fruit, and stems. Gorillas live in family groups, use gestures and sounds to communicate, and build nests to sleep at night. Cockatoo. The cockatoo is a colorful, social bird and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in forests and woodlands of Australia and nearby islands. Cockatoos eat seeds, nuts, and fruit. With loud calls and playful behavior, they stay in flocks and bond closely. Surgeonfish. The surgeonfish is a colorful reef fish and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in warm ocean waters, swimming among coral reefs. It feeds on algae and helps keep reefs clean. Sharp spines near its tail are used for defense, like tiny blades. Marmot. The marmot is a herbivorous rodent and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in mountain meadows and burrows underground. Marmots eat grass and flowers. They whistle to warn others of danger and hibernate through the cold winter months. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is a smart omnivorous mammal and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in African forests and eats fruit, leaves, insects, and sometimes meat. Chimps use tools, live in social groups, and communicate with gestures and sounds. Swan. The swan is a large water bird and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Swans eat aquatic plants, insects, and small fish. Known for their graceful swimming and strong bonds, swans often stay with one partner for life. Black and white ruffed lemur. The black and white ruffed lemur is a diurnal primate and a fruit-loving herbivore. It lives in the rainforests of Madagascar and is active during the day. Lemurs use loud calls to communicate through the trees and help spread seeds by eating fruit. Woodpecker. The woodpecker is a diurnal bird known for pecking tree trunks with its strong beak. It lives in forests around the world and eats insects hiding under bark, as well as fruit and nuts. Woodpeckers use their drumming sounds to mark territory and find mates. Clownfish. The clownfish is a small, colorful reef fish and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in warm ocean waters and hides among sea anemones. Clownfish eat algae, plankton, and leftovers. They form groups and protect their territory together. Proboscis monkey. The proboscis monkey is a large diurnal primate known for its big nose and long limbs. It lives in mangrove forests and swamps of Borneo. This herbivore eats leaves, fruit, and seeds. Proboscis monkeys are strong swimmers and often cross rivers in groups. Llama. The llama is a herbivorous mammal and a diurnal animal active during the day. It lives in the high mountains of South America. Llamas eat grass and shrubs and are used as pack animals. Calm and social, they communicate with hums and body language. We did an amazing job, my curious friends. We learned which animals love the sunshine and which ones wake up only at night. We met herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, venomous and non-venomous creatures, each with their own special home in our magical diorama. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more magical animal stories from around the world.